Where clause in MySQL. In this video we have to see the where clause. In a previous video we have seen that how to insert the data into the table. Now we are seeing how to apply the condition on that data and get a specific record from the table. So basically where clause is used to filter the records and to extract only those records that fulfill the specific condition. So for that syntax is select. We have to write the select, then we can write the column names, then from, then we have to pass the table name, then where, and column name equals to value, means we have to write the condition over here. Now we have to do it practically. So open the MySQL command line client. This is MySQL command line client. Enter password, then show databases, use student record database, then show tables, there is only one table, student. Now we have to see the record from student table. So for that query is now we have to apply the condition on that data and get a specific data from the table. So question is, now we have to display the record of student who belongs from the Pune city. So we can display the record by using the where clause. So for that query is select ID, name from student, that is a table name, where city equals to Pune. Yes, we have got the record. Another question is to display the record of student who has a 102 ID numbers. So we can write select ID, name, city. Yes, here is a record of student who has a 102 ID number.